Solution presents Spirit Seeking with Pratick.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick. The other day my little brother came up to me and he said that he just finished reading the book called Power by Rhonda Byrne. He came up to me and said, "Bro, I really like the book and all. It speaks about power and speaks about the power of love, and it speaks about the law of attraction. But I'm not sure if I believe in it. I'm not sure if I believe in the law of attraction. Sometimes I feel like I believe in it, and at the other times I feel like, how can it be true? How can something as vague as that be true?" And then I opened the internet dictionary and I told him, a law is defined as a statement of fact deduced from observation to the effect that a particular natural or scientific phenomenon always occurs if certain conditions are present. That's how the dictionary defines law. So mind it, a law is not a theory. A law is not a conspiracy. A law is an observed fact. So there's no question of believing in it or not believing in it. Can you believe or not believe in the law of gravity? Or perhaps the law of thermodynamics? A law is a law. It's either scientifically proven or naturally proven. Similarly, the law of attraction is a law. I don't know if any Einstein or any Newton has put it on paper, but it has been observed through time immemorial and has been proved to be true. So if you are an individual that says, I might believe in the law, I might not believe in the law, the law will still work for you. Even if you don't believe in the law of gravity, you will still fall from a cliff if you jump. It won't discriminate if you are a believer or not. And it's the same with the law of attraction. Even if you believe it or not believe it, it'll work for you. It might work for you sometimes and it might not work for you at other times. But if you believe that it works all the time, it's going to work all the time for you. I know this might be a little complicated, but again, try it yourself. Assert something, assert a positive statement to yourself and completely trust it for at least 21 days to 3 months and see if the results come out true. And even if you don't want to believe in the law of attraction, fine, don't believe in it. But you gotta believe in something, fine. Then just believe in yourself and start working on whatever you want in life, whatever you desire in life. Tell us if the law of attraction has already worked for you, or if it has not worked for you, or if you would like it to work for you in the near future. Tell us how you work with this law. Tell us what are the tools that you use to manifest whatever you desire. If you like whatever is happening here, then press that like button. And if you want to see more of this, please subscribe to us. Share this video and let's build a community of new age enlightened human beings. Let's share positivity. Thank you. Until next time.